And who had connections to TMZ?
Objection calls for speculation.
Do you know?
I do know. John
Your
and I
Honor.
spoke about
Your
it.
Honor, calls for
Sustain
speculation.
the objection.
Now, I'm going to start at the very beginning process in July, correct?
That was
Objection leading.
the first one. Sustained.
During the mediation process in July, correct?
That was
Objection leading.
the first one. Sustained
Okay.
is the leading.
That you didn't tell anyone about the abuse until the TRO. Is that true?
Objection, Your Honor, leading.
All right, all right. Who did you tell about the abuse during the time it was happening?
Objection, Your Honor,
That's
leading
not offered to, it's.
and hearsay.
Sustained.
Your Honor, it's prior consistent statements.
It's
they've
leading.
raised
It's
it.
sustained. Next question.
Okay. What, if anything, did you tell to anyone about the abuse?
Objection, Your
therapist.
Honor, hearsay.
I'll sustain
Your
the
Honor,
objection.
Your Honor, may I approach
That's
someone?
fine.
Can you name them?
Yes.
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
I think she can, it's not offered, it's just to show that she informed people before. They're suggesting.
Objection,
she
Your
didn't
Honor.
tell
Can we
anyone.
approach? This is, again, inappropriate.
You had consulted a medical doctor about any problems with your nose, correct?
That's correct.
And you indicated that you in fact had after the divorce,
Objection, leading.
Did you or did you not consult an ENT after the divorce?
Objection, leading.
Did you produce medical records to the defendants relating to this?
Objection, leading calls.
I'll sustain the objection.
Thank you.
It's leading.
And-
Next
and
question.
Your Honor, if we could,
let's,
the
if-
witness could be instructed not to answer until I've
All right.
lodged my objection.
Wait for the objection, please.
And could you tell us what it is?
That's the what my ENT, the ears, nose, and throat doctor, told me was
Objection, Your Honor,
the
hearsay.
damage. All right. When there's objection, please stop talking. Thank you. All right. I'll sustain the objection as to hearsay.
Okay. You were asked if you had, it was suggested that you had not produced this in discovery. Is that true or false?
Objection, Your Honor, leading.
Your Honor,
and-
she absolutely did that.
It's leading. It is leading question, though. I'll sustain the objection as to leading.
Do you know how many were handed over?
Hundreds of thousands, I believe. Maybe.
Objection,
many
Your
more.
Honor, lack of foundation.
All right. I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
Produced to the plaintiff in connection with your consultation with an ENT specialist relating to your nose.
Objection, leading.
Sustained.
What, I said, what if
Foundation,
anything, Your Honor?
hearsay.
What if anything? That is not the cure-all. It's sustained.
And as a result of that consultation, what did you learn about your nose?
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
I'm not asking her to tell what they said.
No, I'll sustain the objection.
I'm trying. What, if anything, did the medical records reflect about your nose?
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
I'll sustain the objection.
Injuries to your nose.
Yes.
Please describe those to the jury.
I have
I'm going to
a bunch of
object
scar
to
tissue.
I'm going to object to the extent it calls for hearsay and lack of foundation
Overruled.
and improper expert opinion.
Well,
She can certainly testify to.
we'll see where it goes. Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
I have a significant amount of scar tissue in my nose.
Objection, Your Honor.
I'll sustain the objection.
What, if any, difficulty do you have breathing?
Objection, leading.
What, if anything, and that does cure on
No,
it.
it doesn't.
You did not report the abuse or the injuries to Aaron Falati. Do you recall that
Objection, Your
question?
Honor, leading.
Your Honor, I'm entitled to go into what Ms. Vasquez asked.
The objection is leading. I'll sustain the objection.
Okay. What, if anything, did you report to Aaron Falati about the abuse you sustained on 12/15/2015?
Objection, leading and hearsay.
Did you tell Connell Cowan about the injuries you sustained?
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
Recall Dr. Laurel Anderson testifying that she saw two black eyes
Objection,
on
Your Honor,
12/17.
leading.
Sustain as to leading.
What, if anything, do you recall from Laurel Anderson's testimony in this case about what she observed on 12/17/2015?
Objection, Your Honor. This is outside the scope of cross-examination.
It's prior consistent statements.
I'm going to sustain the objection.
It's observations for
I'm
the
gonna
12/17, the same day.
Sustain the objection. Next question.
May I approach?
That would have been the 17th of December, 2016, and I told her what happened.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
No, sustain the objection.
What, if any, motivation would you have to claim that Mr. Depp was kneeling on your back, knowing you had a backless dress?
Objection, Your Honor.
I
Leading
think I can bring
calls for
that out.
speculation.
It's still leading. I'll sustain the objection.
Okay. We've heard testimony about Mr. Depp making a total of $65 million in 2015 and 2016 from his experts.
Objection, Your Honor.
Why did
leading
I haven't asked the question yet.
hearsay? I mean,
Why did you not ask for $32.5 million from Mr. Depp?
Your Honor, leading
I said, why did you not ask?
irrelevant.
I'll sustain the
explanation.
objection. Sustain the objection to leading. Next question.
Filming commenced when I heard that they wanted to fire me, and so I put myself in the
Objection,
gym.
Your Honor. Hearsay.
Sustain.
What any role did Mr. Depp play in your getting Aquaman?
He tried to have me fired from it.
Objection, Your Honor. Speculation.
All right, I'll sustain his speculation.
How do you know that he tried to have you fired?
Objection, Your Honor. Calls for speculation and hearsay and lack of foundation.
I'm trying to lay a foundation.
All right, if you lay a foundation.
I saw it. I saw the emails. I saw the texts.
I'll sustain the objection as to hearsay. Next question.
And I told him, actually, right after it happened, what his friend had done.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I don't think it's offered to prove the truth of the matter asserted.
I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
Okay. Stay away from what was said. Can you just tell us what interaction you had with him and his opportunity to observe you with absolutely no makeup?
Objection,
That's
Your Honor.
impossible.
Leading.
I'll sustain the objection as leading.
Well, not only did I have makeup on, but I did attempt to kind of let him know what happened.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
What, if anything, do you recall relating to Officer Melissa Sines' testimony relating to your injuries?
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
Your Honor said I could redirect after the cross-examination. When she,
You want to approach?
why did you tweet about the makeup and Mr. Waldman?
Because he was calling me a liar and a hoaxer, and that this was an elaborate hoax just to get Johnny.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I'll sustain the objection. Next question. Next question.
Yeah, okay. I don't have any more questions, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right. Ma'am, you can have a seat next to your attorney, okay?